Hi, I'm DLD. Welcome to your Flowy Brow Bootcamp.
I'm so excited to introduce you to my game-changing technique in the brow world. This course will dive deep into Flowy Brow and explore and elevate your artistry in leaving your clients with the brows that they had before they over-tweezed. You'll be able to brand them and sell them as a premium service with a premium price tag. You can easily charge up to $1,200 to $2,000 for one single treatment. We're working from the outside in. I'll first complete the tail, move on to his arch, and then we'll move forward with the center and beginning of his brow. You're dragging the needle through at a consistent speed as you go.
The future is PMU. The future is you.
You guys are gonna be so sick of hearing my voice.